Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install the Canon PIXMA MP620 printer series on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP620 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say CAN support for PIXMA MP620. Open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. Go down to the next category below that and select where it says My Printer and select the corresponding download button. Once it's downloaded to our system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes. You can close out of the browser, and then you want to proceed with setting up the installation here. So you just want to agree to license terms, setting your country and region, that sort of thing. And then once you're done, you can create a desktop shortcut if you choose. Select complete, and you should be good to go. If for some reason you're still having a problem, you can launch that application, and then selecting diagnose and repair printer will launch additional troubleshooting steps you can try. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.